Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing some of the best house cleaning tips and tricks to make your life easier. Cleaning can feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to be a burden. When we create a clean and tidy home, we create a space where joy flourishes. So let's tidy up, spark joy, and transform our homes into peaceful havens. Before we even think about grabbing a cleaning cloth, let's start by decluttering our space. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, find it a loving home where it can shine. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Remember, we are not just tidying our homes, we are tidying our minds and hearts as well. A clutter-free space leads to a clutter-free mind, allowing peace and tranquility to flow. Take your time with this process. It's not about speed, it's about being mindful and intentional. As you let go of what no longer serves you, you'll feel a weight lifted from your shoulders. Now that we've created space, let's talk about cleaning solutions. I always recommend opting for natural cleaners like vinegar and baking soda. They are incredibly effective, gentle on your home, and safe for your family and pets. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, perfect for tackling grease and grime in the kitchen. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive, ideal for removing stubborn stains and deodorizing surfaces. Embrace the simplicity of these natural ingredients and feel good about the products you are using in your home. When it's time to clean, always work from top to bottom. This allows any dust or debris to fall downward, where it will be swept up as you go. Imagine a gentle rain shower, cleansing your home from the highest point to the lowest. Begin with ceiling fans, light fixtures, and cobwebs in high corners. Then move on to shelves, furniture, and finally the floors. This methodical approach ensures that you won't have to re-clean surfaces multiple times. As you clean, be present in each moment. Instead of viewing it as a chore, approach it as an act of caring for your home. Let's pay special attention to high-touch areas, those surfaces we interact with multiple times a day. Doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, and countertops deserve extra care. These areas tend to harbor the most germs, so regular cleaning is essential for maintaining a healthy home. Remember, a clean home is an invitation for good health and well-being. By focusing on these frequently touched surfaces, we create a space where we can truly relax and feel at ease. To maintain this newfound sense of order, let's create a cleaning schedule that works for you and your lifestyle. This doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small, manageable tasks. Perhaps dedicate 15 minutes each day to a quick tidy-up. Or choose one room to focus on each day of the week. The key is to find a rhythm that feels sustainable and brings you joy. A cleaning schedule isn't about adding pressure. It's about creating a gentle structure that supports your tidy and joyful home. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Remember, cleaning is not just about chores. It's about creating a space where joy flourishes. Embrace the process, be mindful in your actions, and enjoy the peace that comes with a clean and tidy home. Until next time, happy cleaning!